Right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, a wonderfully quartered, engraved heraldic bookplate of the early 18th century, in fact dated, I think, 1712, I think it says at the bottom there, 1712. It's the bookplate, as it tells us here, of the Right Honourable Charles Viscount Bruce of Ampthill, son and heir apparent of Thomas, Earl of Aylesbury, and Baron Bruce of Walton. And it is a classic and very fine early armorial bookplate of the reign of Queen Anne, beginning of the reign of King George I. Here, well, let me explain these notes at the bottom. This formed part of the collection, the famous collection of Arthur W. Dorling. The Dorling collection was one of Britain's greatest collections of book plates, which was sold last year in various lots, thousands upon thousands of book plates, at Bonham's Auctioneers in London. I've managed to acquire a number of these book plates, and this is one of them. And there we have Dorling's notes on them. It says Early Armorial 1712, and obviously some category, which I think was his armorial category 15. And this is, if he didn't put them in albums, Dorling kept them like this, tipped onto with stamp hinges. Those have come off. Stamp hinges tipped onto a sheet of lined mathematical paper so that they can be handled and looked at without touching the plate. There's some foxing actually to the mathematical paper and to the book plate there, small amount of foxing, but this would mount spectacularly with a deep mount and a deep sort of rich gold frame focusing on this splendid armorial centre, which I hope is coming across on this low resolution film. But look at that, it's a fine piece of 18th century armorial engraving. There's the plate mark where the engraved plate was pressed into the paper. Fantastic armorial item, just waiting for a rich, deep, splendid mount to show off that heraldic pomp and splendour. There we are. Thanks so much indeed. Bye.